in this video, I'll show you how you can add a featured image to WordPress. So this right here is a featured image. We can go ahead and click on the post, and here we will see that image, and then we can obviously read the post. So here's how you can add a featured image. So you can do this on existing posts, or you can do this on new posts. So go ahead and either go to an existing one or create a new post. To do that, go to your dashboard, go to posts, and I'll just create a new one for the video, and I'll call it test featured image. And then obviously you can write out some text. Now, once you've created your post, or maybe you're on a post which already exists, you can go to the right here to the post section. And if you scroll all the way down, you'll see featured image, and you can go ahead and set the featured image. You can upload your own image. So I'll go ahead and upload this image. I'm not too sure what this image is, by the way. Now, it's important to know if you want it displayed properly, you should have it in the correct dimensions in like a landscape format. The ideal dimensions would be 1920 by 1080, but you can upload any image and set it as the featured image. Now, once you've got that image set, make sure you publish it, and it's then going to publish that article. And now if you view the post, your featured image will be at the top, and also your featured image will be on the homepage of your blogs as well with the title. So that's how to do it. I hope that quick video did help you out.